Wagwan my people, me there again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media. Yeah, I want to talk about these videos with you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, first things first. I am going to present a video to you that I be recorded in Jamaica. And I want you to look at this video and tell me if a police officer who you can see in this video handle the situation properly or not. You see me? Now, I'm not going to present the audio of the video to you because in my point of view, I don't think you might be able to clearly hear some words that a certain amount of persons who you can see in the video said. You see what I say? But based on what I saw in the video and in my point of view, I got the understanding that the video shows two persons who was involved in a confrontation, viewers and subscribers, and at some point one of those persons hold an object that I called a weapon, and then one person was trying to run away from the person who was holding the object that I call a weapon, and that person who was holding the object that I call a weapon chased the person who was involved in the confrontation as well. So may I say, now viewers and subscribers, based on what I saw in the video and in my point of view, I got the understanding that there was a police officer within the area during the situation, and the police officer arrived at the location, and at some point the police officer took the object that I call a weapon from one of those persons who was involved in the confrontation. Viewers and subscribers, I want to look at the video and tell me if you think the police officer handled the situation properly or not. Alright? And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Swag my people. Alright, look right here, so. So clearly, you can see that the police officer took the object that I call a weapon from someone, and that person was inside of a motor vehicle, and the motor vehicle was driven away, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, now I don't have the confirmed information as to what started that confrontation, is what I'm saying to you. And you know, this is one of those type of videos that are being talked about on social media. So let me know what you think. Did you think the police officer handled the situation properly or not? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video, viewers and subscribers. As may I say, alright, so let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video also. Now I'm going to present another video to you that I recorded in Jamaica, and this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a damaged motor vehicle. In the video, you can hear a certain amount of persons talking about a truck driver or saying good words about a truck driver. Now in my point of view, and based on some words that a certain amount of persons said in the video, I assume that those persons said some good words about a truck driver or the truck driver is driving because the truck driver did something that might have prevented a bad situation from being worse. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think. Please bear in mind that I can hear at least one harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe, my people.
Yes, you are mindful of that. Look at the life they were almost living right now. If you talk mindful, you never see what's going on. Yeah, I see you run out. And you, I see, yo, I want you flash past me and say, yo, I'm start look around and I see the work, I see the truck break down. Are you driving, General? You're bad enough. How would you drive that? How would you drive this?
How would you drive this?
How would you drive it?
Cosa stai mangiando?
Yo, the man dripping blood clot. That's what I come on and look point now, but that's somebody else. Yes, yo.
But I think they're going to be a look,
The people, even persons wearing uniforms said some good words about the truck driver viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Yeah, the video shows a police service motor vehicle. No, I don't have any confirmed information as to what exactly happened. You see me I say? And I don't have any confirmed information to determine if there was any injury viewers and subscribers. But let me play back a piece of the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and listen to these words that have been said by at least one person in this part of the video. Listen. Alright, so well I know, come and mark another part. Alright, so listen to the words that someone said in this part of the video. Listen.
I was trying to get the ground one. Yo, hey,
so my people, now in my point of view, the video shows one motor vehicle touching a part of a motor vehicle viewers and subscribers, or the video shows at least one motor vehicle that had been hit. So the video shows at least one motor vehicle that had been damaged, and I think that's a bad damage in my point of view. And in the video you can hear a person asking which one of them get the lick. In standard English, that means which one of them got hit. You see what I say? And it seems as if a certain amount of persons are saying some good words about a truck driver or the truck driver's driving that might have prevented a bad incident or a bad situation from being worst. Big up to all of the good drivers them. You see what I say? Yeah, big up to all of the good drivers them. You know what I mean? My people, so let me know what you think about those videos. You know, I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.